Hi, it's Jodie here from Teron Parks, and in this final video in our series about holiday home ownership, I'm going to be talking to you about the purchase process, the fun bit. So you've found the perfect holiday home on the perfect park, and now it's time to make it yours. When you're on the park and you found the right holiday home for you, a 10% deposit will secure it as yours. This then gives you the opportunity to sort the rest of the finances out. So it might be that you're withdrawing it from somewhere that takes a few days, or you might be taking a bit of finance or a loan. And this period of time after paying the deposit gives you the chance to sort that all out. We then usually say that full payment is within 14 days so that we can get everything going for you. Once full payment is made, then we will give the holiday home a gas test, electric test and a deep clean and make sure that it's all ready for you to move in. If it's a brand new holiday home, this is when we'll get the deck built as well, which usually takes a couple of weeks. It can be a little bit less, sometimes a little bit more. But we aim to get this done as quick as possible. So once you've paid your deposit, paid your balance, we'll get all the other wheels in motion, and then we'll aim to get you moved in as soon as possible. And we'll meet you at the park to do that and show you around your new holiday home. Then you can start enjoying endless holidays. So if you'd like to come and take a look at any of our parks, please get in touch using the details below.